Guys, it's me again, and today we have a special guest. Come here, special guest. Yes, this is my sister. She's not showing up for you, so we're gonna actually teach her how to play Roblox. So look, you know you can't. Oh, you can actually use these, but they're hard to use. They're not usually what I always use. I always use this W, A, S, and D, but sometimes look, with this, the right mouse button is for changing the view. This button is for nothing. It's just for pressing. The left, right.
Why do you say this is weird?
Cause you can't turn with it. It's harder to use it. So yeah, so you could really, so W is for straight, going straight. S is for backwards. D is for going to the right. No, left. Yeah, going to the right. A is for going to the left. And you can just actually press W, and with the change view, it'll move you somewhere else. See? So right now we're playing Pet Shop, and this is my pet shop. So yeah, you can start playing, but do not buy these because I don't have any Robux. Really, I know. And this is how much cash we have right over here. I only have 1,080 something, which is not very much, but I can buy this, another dropper. Oh my god, there's a dropper that is 2,000.
543 coins.
Yeah, cash, not really coins. And I can buy another tree. No, I don't want a gravity coil. Another tree. So many trees.
Are you your actual money or like game money?
Game money. I don't actually have Robux. Okay, so you can start playing. Do not touch these other things.
No cash. How am I supposed to play?
You have cash up here. You have 500 and something. And you get the cash from over here. And always buy droppers. Because they give you lots of... What is Poop Face doing in my house? No, seriously, his name is Poop Face. Okay, you can start playing. I know there's barely any space here. Do not...
W needs to go forward.
W. Yeah, and you can use the mouse to change the view. So with, no, the other button, yeah. So go forward, and now use the button, go forward, and no, press cancel. And now go forward, cancel again. So look, let me show you. You press W like that, and you can move with the right mouse button to change. Oh, I just bought a path on accident. You can do this.
Hey.
Yeah. Collect some.
Wait, are you actually having fun with this?
What?
You just buy stuff?
Yeah, you just buy stuff, I guess. And then you can, if you get a shop, actually, like an actual shop, you can have customers and get more money.
So this is somebody else's shop?
No, that's my shop. See, Ronald OMG 4910 Pet Shop.
Then who are your customers?
I don't have a shop really yet. No, those, you need Robux for that. So don't press those.
Can I play another game?
Yeah, if you want to. But then everything that I have played would disappear. Actually, no. Actually, I want to show... No, that's not how you leave the game.
I don't know.
Okay, oh, you bought a dog.
No, don't.
Okay, let's just leave the game. You have to go up here to those 3 lines. Do not... And now put leave game. Press leave game. Leave game. And now let's go to...
No.
Boys only, no girls allowed. Seriously, I saw a girl. Go to games. And go back to home. And then press this. That. And now...
You're always playing games? There's not like a home you have?
Yeah, kind of. Remember when we went to New Year? I downloaded that Roblox on Jace's computer, and now he's like playing other games, and they're appearing on my computer. Why are you gonna move that? 5 minutes.
Can you pause it?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
now play Roblox in high school. It's a hard game. On this game, to change your view, you have to use these, and you can still go forward with these. But to change your view, I hate Roblox in high school. Twitter, just play. Press play. Do you wanna hear the music?
I want to be
You can choose pick.
Oh.
Pick for me. I don't know what you are really.
Okay.
No, that's Robux.
I know. So.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
hard.
easier.
Yeah. Cooking.
Where's the cooking class?
Just press go in the top or to you. Go to cooking. I think. What are you? No, look.
I'm a
There's
sophomore.
board over there. There's a board over there.
Wee!
You can choose what do you want, a taco, pizza, or a cheeseburger.
Oh my god.
You guess?
Pizza.
Okay, so those are things. You're a sophomore.
Excuse me, mister.
Study cook.
Okay.
Yeah, you press that one first. It told you to press that one first. No! Oh, you press the dough first, I think. Bad luck. Try again next time. Dang it. Oh, my God.
Okay, so I'll start with some cheeseburger.
Yeah, it's the hard one. So how do you make a cheeseburger? No, you have to, like, press it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, what happened? So you have to press it for a long time. Okay, I'll hold it for you, and then you write. Right.
Oh, never mind. He left.
Who left?
Oh, got it right.
Yeah, dang it. Oh, that was actually really good. I've never played this cook thing. 3, 2, 1. So the first thing that has a green light, you will touch. That
So cheese,
cheese,
meat,
meat. No, that was
cheese, meat, cheese, tomato. Cheese. Cheese, meat, cheese,
tomato.
cheese.
Yes! Well done! Here's your food. Now you can press 1, number 1, and now you can eat it. Press it again. Actually, yeah, you can eat it.
Ew!
You just ate it. You just ate it.
Do all voices sound like that?
Do all what? Sound
Like
that?
the Roblox people voices.
I know. It sounds so weird. It's like, cheeseburger. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Why did you say yo, chill? Now everybody's like confused. Nobody's saying hi because they're like, I'm just so slow walking without knowing how to do anything. So
Okay.
you want to make pizza? Oh, you chose. I don't know what you chose. So she thinks she can do this on her own now, and I do not actually. I do want to go science. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh my god, I hate this game. Okay. I don't like this game at all. But I guess I'll have to play it. Okay. So what are we supposed to do? The what is the powerhouse of the what? Okay, I'm gonna not play this. So we're gonna leave the game. Leave. And we're gonna play Adopt Me. Actually, no. Home. Gonna play games. Home. And go up here. Leave this. And we're gonna play Escape. Kyo. Oh. Obby. I like the escaping things. But they're really hard actually. Oh my god, I wish I had enough to buy the airplane. Oh, there's a Pikachu. How cute. Oh my god. I never realized that I could fall, jump, keep jumping, jump, Jump! What are those white stuff? Are they stuff to kill you or are they're checkpoints? But that white thing over there, I don't think it's a checkpoint. I think it's something to kill you. Oh, I survived. Here, checkpoint. No! The wrong way. I went the wrong way. Okay, so I guess we go through this way and then go. Okay, so then we go through this way. Yeah, this way. This way. Then I press this. Jump! Dang it! Dang it! No! What happened if I touched the Pikachu? Yay, I fell. Pikachu. 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 Why do I keep falling? Pikachu. Yes, Pikachu. 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 Ah! Pikachu. I died. Dang it. Oh, what? SpongeBob? Arisa? Is the end the little cookie? No, I jumped so low. It's just way too hard because I'm afraid that if I jumped way too far, I could absolutely touch the white part. Yes, I got to the next. Check. Point. And this one's just so easy. And you have to press this checkpoint. And all you do now is go up these stairs without touching the red thing. So I'll go. No, what? Oh, I think you can't go through this side. Or maybe I just. Dang it, I touched it. An accident. This is so hard. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Yes, I did it. There's this guy in a shirt that says I love cats and has sure a cat on his shoulder. Yes. And this you just have to walk slowly. Oh, this bird's good. Can we take this? Nope, you die. You die. You die if you step on it. Oh my god. How am I surviving? Please don't get me back to beginning like some obbies that actually makes you get all the way back to the beginning. Actually, something that I do want to do is actually go to the beginning. Okay, let's try to get all the way back up there without having to die. Dang it. Oh, good. I thought I was gonna spawn at the beginning, but I actually didn't. Nope, dang it. Dang it, I was too far away. Yes. So something bad is that the white stuff can kill you. And I got to crab guy. I never watched SpongeBob, so I don't know the name of them. Dang it! Why do I keep dying? Yes! Dang it! Oh my god! Dang it! Why do I keep dying? I don't want to waste my 1 minute left of this video dying. Oh guys, I guess we don't have time. Dang it! So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!